So here I am over at the table with my new friend, Jan Parker. Oh my God. Let me tell you something. Every time I get to talk with her or spend any time with her, my feet don't touch the ground because of the wisdom and the sacredness that she brings to her food and to all of her relationships. So, first off, let's talk about what you're making.
Absolutely. I feel like this is a great summertime dessert.
Yes.
We feel like we don't want to be in the hot kitchen. This is a low capacity dessert that will literally take you 10 minutes.
Okay. 10 minutes, I can spare 10 minutes for a low capacity dessert that has mascarpone in it.
Yes.
So tell us what the ingredients are, and then I want to
Yes.
hear about you being raised by your immigrant parents, because they are all over this table.
They are, absolutely.
Yeah, they absolutely are. So what, we've got mango.
Mango, the ripest mangoes ever.
Yes.
Be selective about that. That's going to be key in this recipe. We also have whipped, this is mango float. So the float part is obviously heavy whipping cream that we whip, but we're adding a little spice to it. True Jan Parker cookery
Of
style.
course, that's right.
With
Spicy.
the mascarpone.
Yep.
And then we're going to layer the sweetness, but not too sweet, with condensed milk and then Biscoff cookies.
Oh, and these are those cookies I talked about earlier that airplane cookies, that when I get into Costco, stand back. So let's talk about what has shaped your journey as a chef and a business owner the most, in the sense of being a daughter from immigrant parents.
Absolutely. I feel like it's the foundation of everything that I do, and it is always a point of reflection. My mom and dad are from the Philippines, and my dad was recruited by the U.S. Navy to immigrate here.
Okay.
And so when I see their story, I look at them and try to sit in their shoes and walk their walk back in the 70s, and just imagine what that would have been like to go from a place of the Philippines and experience a different culture.
And different food, and different ingredients.
Right.
And different language.
Different languages. So, and that makes me feel like that takes a lot of resilience.
Oh gosh, yes.
A lot of union, not only from my parents, but also like from community members. As a child, I always remember always being at Filipino parties.
I love
and so
that.
I think they really had a great network of friends and family, but also had a ton of resilience.
Just a huge, huge celebration.
Indeed.
Speaking of celebration, let's talk about Reyna Filipina Kitchen right around the corner here on Hilltop. First off, give us an update, because I know that I cannot wait for this place to open.
Absolutely. We have some great updates. Basically, we have hired a Filipino architect.
I'm going to have you work while you're
Okay,
talking.
I'm sorry. I'm
No,
gonna.
it's all right. It's okay. I just realized I'm like,
All right,
I'm not
we're
having
like
coffee. I have to
intensely,
produce something.
like intensely
Yeah.
staring at you.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm loving it.
So basically, we have hired a Filipino architect, and her partner is Filipino, or is Samoan as well. And we also have an HVAC person that we've hired, who is a woman of color.
Oh, hello.
And my branding is now finished.
Yes.
So that is also
Which you had the folks on Instagram vote on.
Yes.
Which is so Jan Parker to get the community involved.
it is. I have exciting news to share with you in a moment, but basically we're being very intentional of how we build Reyna Filipina Kitchen.
Okay.
And I'm super excited about that. We are close to submitting plans to the city.
You are?
So that is very
my
exciting. Yes, I feel like things are moving forward. The next step for us is to basically figure out the bids, because we were gifted money from the housing urban development, but we have to figure out what the total budget is going to be, so we know and we can set mentally how much work we need to do to make this restaurant happen.
Do you have a idea about the time of year that you're going to let us in those doors?
I do.
Will it be fall? Will it be winter? Will it be spring?
I will tell you
Tell me.
that
Right here first.
I feel like the architects have told us that we are looking at March timeframe, 2026.
Oh my gosh, you heard it here first. March 2026.
But even better, the space has a patio.
Yay!
So I feel like that was an optimal time to
Oh,
open.
it was meant
So
to be.
please put your good energy out for us that we can continue this
I
project
absolutely will.
and make it happen.
See, look at you making this so easy. And then here we go, drizzle, drizzle.
The drizzle,
the
drizzle.
condensed milk.
There you go.
Oh my gosh.
mean,
So if people don't know you, which I want to go, are you kidding me? Every Saturday morning, where are you?
we are at the Proctor Farmers Market.
Yeah, you are.
And-
So where are you Friday night?
Friday night, I don't know.
You're cooking. I see your team in there sometimes
Oh yes,
preparing
we are
things.
Friday night. We also, we're very busy. Obviously, I need to look at my calendar to know where my life is at. But yes, we have double events sometimes where we're catering and also doing the farmers market.
Yes.
Next week, we are going to be doing Food Walk, which is in the Lincoln District on Sunday after Proctor Farmers Market.
Oh my gosh.
But we also will be, I'll be on a panel at the Food Walk.
I love
talking
that.
about, Amanda, I'm going to just tell the truth
Okay.
and just let it all out. Whatever people want to know.
Oh, good. Okay.
Yeah.
So no questions off limits.
No questions off limits.
So we have finished the mango float. It looks incredible.
finished it.
And I have to reach over here and
Please
do
do.
this.
And I also have another surprise for you.
Tell me.
Within this time frame, I'm going to show you another easy dessert that you can have.
Will you show me the end result since I have matcha strawberries?
These are actually, I did put matcha in here, but we do also have pandan, which is
I
the
love
vanilla
that.
of the Philippines.
Okay.
So yes, we
I'm
have
going
that.
to eat this.
Please
But I'm
do.
going to say goodbye first.
Okay.
Here we go. That wraps up another great segment of Cityline. It's always a pleasure and privilege to be in your home. Jan and I have given you some great things to think about. So go out there and be a part of the tapestry and pay it forward, huh, Reyna?
Pay it forward.
And when you come back, as always, we'll be waiting for you right here at Cityline. Take care.